Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I wish you a very happy new year. I pray that it's filled with goodness, greatness, upliftment on every side. Every of your heart desires shall be granted. We'll be making a very short video, balloon spiral without the stand. Usually you use the stand to make the spiral, but today we will not be using the stand. For instance, you don't have a stand and you want to make the spiral. For this design, I will be using 32 pieces of 12-inch balloons, the ribbon to connect the balloons together, the water balloon which would give us the base, and I think that's about it. That's about everything that we'll be using for this wonderful design. Now we'll pair up the balloon into 2 and then the 2 into 4. We attach the ribbon to the water-filled balloon and then link it up at the center of our balloon. And this is what we have. That would be at the bottom. Now we start linking up the balloons. Please ensure you don't tighten the ribbon around the balloons because you're going to have a crooked balloon, something like this, and you're not going to like it at all. It's not beautiful. So basically just continue like that upward, depending on what you want the height to look like, depending on what you're using it for. This can be used for any occasion, a birthday, wedding, any occasion at all. Just make sure to arrange the spiral such that the colors are adjacent to one another as you arrange upward. Again, don't forget that you shouldn't tighten the ribbon around the balloons as you link them up pair by pair. Make sure the ribbon around this is not too tight. And this is what we have, guys. It stands firmly on the ground, unshakable, and this only has a ribbon linking it together. I'm inflating the metallic balloon I'll be using on the top of the balloon. I prefer to use the hand pump because I don't want the balloon to pop. So I prefer to use the hand pump than to use the electric pump. I just attached the ribbon with a metallic balloon and linked it to the stand. And this is what we have again. It's so beautiful, so simple, so doable. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think about this. I like what I have already, but this can also be made in another pattern. Let's check this out. So with this design, instead of having the pink and the purple adjacent to one another, we have the pink on one side and the purple on another side. We still have our water-filled balloon at the bottom, creating the weight. And we are also using the ribbon. So arranging it up the same way, but making sure that the two colors are on one side instead of adjacent to one another. And this is the result of the second design. I like the two. Let me know which one you prefer or which one you would rather use. Both are very beautiful and can be used for any occasion. For this, I use metallic numbering just to accessorize it. It's a giant number 2, just to beautify it. You can use anything that you like, that you prefer. You can put balloons, number of the birthday, anything at the top of the balloon to beautify it. Once you attach it to the ribbon and link it, below it would stand firmly. So this is what we have, and I like it. Please let me know what you think about this. If you have any questions, comment, please leave it in the comment section. And thank you guys for always being there. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I would like to hear from you. Thank you.